this is second week. We start normal, no more social distancing. We are close like South Americans. This is Belle. Voila! Gangs! Hi Bells!
Hi!
Are you ready to party?
Yeah, as always.
Alright. So I'm following Belle because Belle my new sister.
Oh, you love it!
Okay guys, today we are going to have a party down the road. Try to enjoy the light. We wanna see the real new light in. Hi, now I'm with Belle. We are on the queue line waiting to come inside Brass Monkey. I'm going out with my hostel friends. Here we go. Hey guys. Guys, where are we going now?
Hey. Can I introduce myself? I'm the famous chef from Italy, Allegro Monticelli.
Okay. How are you?
Check me on Google.
Okay. Looking for girlfriend. Oh my god, the line is so long. We're gonna come here. See the line? So guys, sekarang udah normal di Perth, so we are in normal situation, no more social distancing, and this is the first week or second week?
Second.
I think this is second week. We start normal, no more social distancing.
We are close like South Americans.
This is Belle, beautiful girl.
Your sister, your little sister.
We'll see what happened in the next. I mean, like inside the first monkey. Well, guys, we are now at the Brass bar. We are really
bar.
Yeah, the hotel bar. At first, we are really excited, but the thing is not like what I was expected. Like more crowded, more music inside, but it's just like common, like the place you drink with your friends.
Yeah. Here, it's important to drink.
Yes, of course.
The music's not so important, and dance is not so important.
Yeah. No.
But it's good as well.
Yeah.
It's not so bad.
Not so bad from our hostel life. Guys, hubung tempatnya kagak asik, jadi kita pindah ke bar berikutnya. Let's go to other place.
Yeah.
Where are we going? Bro, where are we going?
Street eats.
Street eats.
Hey, don't call me.
Not yet.
I'm the chef. Don't call me bro.
Okay, chef. We're going to street eats. $5 bar. More cheaper. Ooh, not really many people. Okay. Are you ready? Second round?
Yeah.
I'm not sure what we're gonna buy. So here we are again to the first club.
I would like to drink something, but
You are good, you know. So order some drinks.
a lot of things.
I don't know, a lot of drinks.
Yeah. We drink.
So
we're
guys,
going to drink
here.
a lot today. I
Alright.
think.
A lot of people here. So see you guys. Guys, sekarang udah ada di sini, berisik banget. Where is Belle?
Amigo,
So crowded.
soy solo un povero peone, no me mata, señor. Señor, no me mata, soy solo un povero peone.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Where is Bella? Señor.
Where is Bella, senor?
Oh, we finished. She wants something to drink.
We should come here first. Why we go to Monkey Brass? Right? I was thinking we should go to here first.
Oh,
Here first. And then...
Because we want to try the new place.
Okay. I was thinking better this place than the last one. The first one we came. What you Indonesian YouTuber?
Subscribe channel gua kalau pada mau. Namanya Luke Nicola.
Hi, Korean.
Indonesia.
Indonesian people.
Aku
I'm
cinta
from
kamu.
Allegro Monticelli. I'm a famous chef. Check me on Google. I'm really famous. It's my second aunt. Is the majestic Giuseppe Bartolomeo.
Molto piacere, Giuseppe Bartolomeo Sogna. Come state? Come va?
He's the fans of Valentino Rossi. Oh, yeah, bro.
Very good, it's good. I know it. My best friend.
No way.
Second name.
Today is a Brazilian Valentine's Day, right?
Yeah, it's the Brazilian Valentine's Day.
Why is different from another country?
Because we are different. Brazilians.
Come on, don't say hello. Drink with us.
Please. Sante Magnum.
Questa musica poi.
Alright, guys. See you. I'm gonna bake soon. See you guys.
Tomorrow we're going to be hungover, but that's alright. It's really Australian. Be hungover. See you tomorrow.
I was thinking you're gonna say something.
Baik, dengan tepat.
Bye, Bel. Bye. Bye in Brazil. Okay. In Portuguese? Yeah. Portuguese. Yeah. Ciao. Beijos.
Sampai jumpa.
Oh, 92 minuti di applausi per Giuseppe. Vai Giuseppe!
Sampai jumpa di lain waktu. Bye. Sampai jumpa in Indonesia. Sampai jumpa Indonesia. No, I mean like you say bye, but in Indonesia it's sampai jumpa. Sampai jumpa. Jumpa? Yeah, jumpa. Sampai jumpa. Sampai jumpa. Yeah. Sampai jumpa. See you on my next video.
Saffagini. Soy solo un pobre peón, no me mata, no me mata. No, señor, no me mata. Soy solo un pobre peón, por favor. No me mata.
No, it's like that. No.
Fabio.
No.
What's this?
It's a little part.
Fabio.
Part in Korea.
This is not a heart.
It's hard. But they make it like this. Yeah. Korean people.
Why? Are you not Korean?
Fine. It's fine. That's not Korean. It's not
Korean.
Jadi guys, dia kirim foto ke temannya Luke. So cute.
Sante Maggio.
Can you do the same? So funny. So guys, now we are going back home. It's a midnight. Time to sleep.